What is wrong, bestie?
Sorry, I'm really hungry. I gave up on making spoofs.
Oh, poor thing. Don't cry. You'll be able to make lots of spoofs that the fans liked.
Hey nerd, you silly hungry spoofs maker. Your fans say you've given up on making spoofs.
Hey, look what you did. You made my best friend cry.
I'm sorry, I don't deserve to be mega grounded.
Go away, Cube. I'm really angry on you. Oh shit, I'm hungry again. How about we go get some ice cream?